Hi fellow YouTubers, it's 20 to 2, a Tuesday morning, and I'm just heading up to the house to nuke a mug of tea. See that frog? Can be a tad aggravating at times. Oh. Annoying little so-and-so. Oh, you can get used to it, most of the time anyway. Yes, well, that didn't take very long. I'll be sitting here for about another half hour or so and doing a little editing, putting some videos together, and well, might even have a look to see if there's a movie on Netflix, maybe. But this is the time of night I really enjoy, because it's quiet, and I've always liked the dark. So when I'm sitting here, I often get out a piece of paper and I might do some jottings for a story, or I'll just write down ideas for videos. And I've got half a dozen here. There's one in particular that I will be getting to, and it's called The Delusional Mind of a Self-Published Author. Wow. It will all be explained in the video. And some people have wanted me to tell some camping trip stories, and I will. I got some old 8mm footage. I used to take the camera away on all my early hunting and camping trips, and I've been meaning to run them through and put them on video. They won't be the best quality, but they'll be good enough for the purpose. It's just been too hot, and I just haven't been bothered to take the movie projector up to the house, because it's got to be nice and dark, and it won't be dark enough in the house. So I've got to do it here in my shed office. So I'll get around to doing that, and I will tell some more camping trip stories, and I'll get around to making these other videos as well. And yeah, but you've got to put I've got to put the ideas down, otherwise I forget. Yeah, it's true. I just forget, and I kick myself when I have an idea and I don't write it down. because more often than not I can't remember what it was. Well, it's the brain north of normal thing. Anyhow, look, I want to thank you for watching. I know the quality of the picture at the beginning wasn't very good. It's probably not that crash shot here either. But nothing ventured, nothing gained. And until next time, bye for now.